छलके गुलाबी लाल सुनहरी रंग दल बादल के ज्योति कलश छलके घर आंगन बन उपवन उपवन करती ज्योति अमित की सिंचन मंगल घट धन के मंगल घट धन के ज्योति कलश झलकी पात पात विरमाला धरती का मुख हुआ उजाला सच सपने कल के सच सपने कल के ज्योति कलश झलकी ऊषानिया जल फैलाया जलती सुबह की शीतल छाया नीचे आंचल के नीचे आंचल के
Shri Vasudev Purswani, Srimati Purswani, all other Pravasi Bharatiya Samman awardees and their family members, distinguished guests from the Indian diaspora, winners of the International Yoga Day competition, and friends from the media. Good evening, namaskar, sawadi kha, sat sri akal, adab, salam alaikum. Very happy to see all of you here. After a long time, we are having a public function, and while it is modest by our standards, we are very happy that the situation is conducive for us to finally have a small event in honor of Shri Vashi Purswani, who is the recipient of the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award for the year 2021. So a few words about the award itself, although many here are familiar with it. The award is the highest honor which is conferred by the Government of India on overseas Indians. The Honorable President of India confers the award as part of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention. It is awarded to non-resident Indians, persons of Indian origin, or an organization or institution established and run by NRIs or PIOs in recognition of their outstanding achievements and contributions in various fields, both in India and abroad. And the jury cum awards committee includes the Honorable Vice President as the chairman, the Honorable External Affairs Minister as the vice chair, and other distinguished members from various walks of life. This year, of course, the 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas convention was organized on the 9th of January, the date in which it's held every year. And 30 individuals from 27 countries were honored with the award. And from Thailand, of course, we have Mr. Vashi Purswani as one of the distinguished awardees. We ourselves here at the embassy had a function to mark the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas on that day, and we were very happy as we watched the live telecast of the function, the announcement which came, and I recall the joy with which our audience and all of us who were present here responded to that. So Mr. Vashi, as many of you would be aware, of course, but this is also for the online audience because this is also being streamed live. by us, has been based in Thailand since 1965 after moving here from Hong Kong. And he started by establishing a tailoring unit, and then through sheer perseverance and commitment has reached the current position of founder and chairman of the Thai Martin Group of companies. He contributed to the establishment of one of the first ever India-Thai joint ventures, which resulted in later on in many such joint ventures and ensured a robust economic cooperation between India and Thailand. Mr. Purswani's USP has been in taking over failed businesses and turning them around into successful enterprises, and he has consistently been contributing towards charity and philanthropic activities. And what is unique about the way he has contributed is that he has done so in a very low profile manner without attracting any attention to himself or without expecting any rewards. His social and humanitarian work isn't restricted to the Indian community but also to the Thai society, and his eminence in business and selfless contribution towards humanity has enhanced the image of India and of Indians in Thailand. The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award is indeed a befitting recognition to his contributions. The Indian community in Thailand itself, of course, is almost 250,000 people. That is according to our guesstimates. Perhaps the number is larger. We really don't know, because not everybody comes and registers themselves or comes to our attention. But we know that they have been doing immense work, both in contributing to the economic and social fabric of Thailand, as also India, and bringing the two countries and the people together. And therefore, the Government of India has previously recognized the except contributions made by several other people who were based in Thailand and conferred the award, for instance, on the late Sri Shivnath Bajaj. Of course, Sri Deepak Mittalji is here, the senior most among the awardees. Mr. Sushil Mittal, who got it in 2017. I think he's still in India at this point in time. I'm very happy that Mr. Amit Vaikar, who's moved very recently to Thailand from Hong Kong, has also received the award for his work, for his good work among the community in his previous place. Today's function was for commemorating the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award. This is conferred by the Government of India every 2 years to very prominent non-resident Indians or people of Indian origin who have contributed in different fields, both in India as well as abroad, wherever they stay. So the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas actually takes place on the 9th of January every year. 9th of January because this is the year when Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the Indian nation, came back from South Africa to India. So he is our most well-known Pravasi or non-resident Indian, and in memory of that, every year this day is celebrated for us. So this year from Thailand, Mr. Vashi Purswani who was a very prominent member of the Indian community in Thailand, got the award because of the COVID-19 situation. It was not possible for him to travel to India. Otherwise, the award would have been conferred on him by the Honorable President of India, Rashtrapati Ji. But because of the COVID-19 situation, there was no travel possible at that time. So the government of India decided that the medallion which is given, as well as the award, which is a scroll which is given honoring him, should be conferred by the Ambassador of India in foreign countries, who represents the Honorable President and gives it to whoever gets the award. So we're very happy that the Embassy of India in Bangkok has been able to organize this small function where we were able to get Mr. Purswani and also other prominent recipients of the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman award in previous years from Thailand. So they were all here with their families and other prominent Indians who have contributed in a very big way. Additionally, we also used today's event to give an award for a person who has won a quiz competition and an online video competition which we held on the occasion of the International Yoga Day, which was celebrated on the 21st of June 2021. So it combined both these. Primarily, of course, the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award was given to Mr. Vashi Purswani.